Hello everyone, we are Pranish, Sanjil, and Rayan, and we are thrilled to present our project AI Resume Analyzer and Suggestion Tool, developed for Microsoft AI Agent Hackathon. In today's fast paced job market, most resumes don't even reach a recruiter. They filter out by automated systems like ATS and RTS. Our solution uses AI to bridge this gap by analyzing resume against job description, providing a score and suggestions targeted improvement to help users stand out. Key challenges. We identify major challenges job seekers face. Firstly, poor keyword optimization. Resume don't match what ATS system look for. Secondly, lack of feedback. Applicant never know why they are rejected. 3. No easy way to tailor resume for each job application. And number 4, frustration with high volume rejection during internship and fresher hiring cycles. This is especially critical for students and professionals from non-technical backgrounds. And how Azure AI solves it? Using the power of Microsoft Azure OpenAI, we built an intelligent system that analyzes resume and job description in real time, scores the compatibility between them, suggests personalized improvements based on missing skills or keywords, optimize resume for a system like ATS or RTS. With Azure Reliable Infrastructure, we ensure both performance and scalability. So, how it works? Our architecture combines Spring Boot, Apache PDFBox, and Azure AI services. Firstly, the user uploads a PDF resume and a job description. We and then we extract the resume text using Apache PDFBox. Then this is sent to Azure OpenAI for deep language comparison. Fourthly, the system returns a match score and AI generated suggestion. And lastly, the front end powered by Thymeleaf and Bootstrap JavaScript uh, display it clearly. Project demo. This is our home page. Once we click here, we go to our upload page, and here we upload our documents or our resume. This is our resume, and it's so file ready resume PDF. And now we are going to upload our job description, and after we submit it, it shows the resume successfully uploaded, and please wait, it may take some time, and scroll down. And finally, this is the score are shown and suggestion based on the description is displayed, and it also shows the area of our resume strength and areas of improvement suggestion for resume enhancement. And this is are the description suggestion given by the AI. Key takeaways. With our AI resume analyzer, job seeker get instant personalized suggestions. Their resume are RTS friendly. It ideal for student interns and career changers, and all of it runs on Microsoft scalable cloud infrastructure. Feature scope. Multiple language software via Azure Translator, downloadable PDF reports with suggestions, and a complete AI-powered resume builder with autofill feature, all built on Microsoft Azure with room for expansion into Microsoft 365 integration and team support. This career guidance market is booming. Millions of users need help tailoring resumes. The rise of EdTech and ArzTech makes AI tools essential. With Microsoft Azure AI, we have the right tools to make the solution accessible, intelligent, and future ready. Finally, thank you to Microsoft and the organizer for the hackathon. We believe our solution can empower students and professionals by simplifying resume optimizing with the intelligence of Azure OpenAI. We are excited to keep building on this platform. Let's help people get hired smarter and faster. Thank you.